Hello guys, my name is Jifty and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do admin abuse inside of Catweb. We're going to be using this as a base game from last time. Last time we added music. We made this music system work. Now we're going to make an admin abuse system. First thing you're going to need is you're going to want to add a scrollable frame this time. Make it about as big as this. Put it over on the other side. This is wherever you want the admin panel to be. I'm gonna make this look good with some styling, and this should be decent. Now I'm gonna just do some like labeling and stuff, like we can make this go up here. Like I'm gonna make text up here that says admin panel, switch the font to the right one, stuff like that to make it look good. Put this under the scrollable frame. I'm gonna rename this to admin panel. Put the admin panel text, resize that however you want, put it wherever. I'm just making it look good. The first thing we're gonna make is a global message. I will link this in my description, but you need this little Unicode character here. This is called a full width colon. It's just so you can do admin abuses in an effective way. You need to copy that. First thing you need for global messages, you need an input. You can put that under the admin panel and resize this, however, like that, I guess. Message, ... I'm gonna label this with everything I need. After that, we get a button. This is gonna be our send button, so we can make it say send. Put this under our admin panel again, move this, however. I'm gonna make this global message a little easier to see by making this like white. And get our send button, resize it, however. This is how I'm gonna do it. And now what we need is a script. You can use an old script or a new one, you can do whatever. I'm gonna make a new script and put it under admin panel. So how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna do when button pressed, which we select our send button. Here's our send button. When our send button is pressed, we need to get text from our input here to message. Okay, this is what we need. And then we go down to network, broadcast message across page, and we do open curly brackets. Actually, what we need is our full width colon that we got from earlier. Open curly brackets, MSG, close curly brackets. This is pretty much all we need for our admin message. For our admin message thing. Now all we need is we go back up to events. We get when message received. If contains, if open brackets, L exclamation mark, message content, close curly brackets, contains our full width colon that we got earlier. Then we need to make a new element. I forgot. We need to make a new text. This is going to be our global message text. Move this wherever we want, change this to whatever we want. Scale it however. We need our global message text. We can make it not visible by default. In our script, if message content contains that, then we can set object our global message text to this open curly bracket L exclamation mark message sender name closed curly brackets, and then we get another open brackets L exclamation point message content close the curly brackets. So this is all we have right now, and we can make our global message visible. Wait however many seconds we want, 4 seconds I guess, and then we get a invisible button thing. We make global message text invisible. This is what we have right now. This shows on everyone's screen. That's kind of boring, right? Do we want to make, if we can do this how it is right now, or we can make it look better. I'm gonna make mine look better. So we need all this here still. We'll need a play audio right here. We'll need a tween property of object right here. Or where's the tween? We need the tween right below the audio. And then we get set property of object 2, put that above, make global message text visible, and then we get another tween here, okay? Now, what we need to do is set text transparency of global message text to 0, and then play audio notification. No, I'm looking for, we need a notification sound. I'm gonna use this one because I like this. Tween our text transparency of our global message text to 1, I believe it is, 0.5, style, linear, direction, in, that doesn't matter. Then we tween our text transparency of our global message text to 0. Time, let's do 1 second for this one. Make this one linear, direction, in. Now let's test this. I think I did that wrong. I think what this is it needs to do the exact opposite of this. Actually, I forgot to do one thing. We need wait 4 seconds. Or not 4 seconds, 1 second. There we go. This should work. You can adjust all this timing if you want. I'm just going to keep it just like this. The next thing we're going to want to do is to make admin commands, like the actual commands. We're going to want to go back to our admin panel. We can duplicate this input, move it down, and duplicate this send button, and move it down. What we're going to want to do is, in this new input, command input, send button, and for our command input, command ... this is it for this. I'm just gonna do run. Now what we need to do is we need to go back to our script, duplicate the send button script, and put it as the command send button. We need this still. We switch this input to command input and set this to command. Okay, and then we can broadcast our command across the page. This is all we need for our command buttons and input thing. All we have to do now is get an if is equal to, or yeah, an if is equal to, put that there. If open bracket L exclamation mark message content is equal to whatever you want your command to be. So like, let's just do play or like just taco. Yeah, that. And then put what we want this command to do under here. So if we want it to set our music to let's find some music. It's raining taco sound ID. We can copy this, paste this in here, and now this starts that sound for everybody.
It's raining tacos.